Good morning, good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. If you are brand new to clicking on one of my streams, my name is Doug. People call me Dougie Fresh. I'm actually considering changing my channel name to that. Got a nice Christmas mug this morning. But something was leaking on my desk. It's no good. I'm after an extremely simple approach to trading. I pride myself in attempting to take one trade a day. Not always perfect, but that's the goal. I find anything over that. Sometimes this works. Actually, it's not about only having one bullet fired. For me, it's about not being in front of the screen when the trade's playing out. I think the secret sauce for most traders, the thing they're missing, or the thing that's sabotaging them, is experiencing the loss. So why not find a way, if we believe that the losses, let's just say not handling the losses professionally, if we believe that's the main thing that's causing traders to go south, right? They make an emotional reaction. Why not stop experiencing the loss? Let's get as far away from it as we can. Take your trade and shut her down. Works really well for me. So look at this little level we're coming up to. Okay, so price is currently here. Okay, cool. Bring it across here. What are we looking at? We got a nice rejection here. The top of the supply would be, well, there's lots you could pick, but the last green candle before the move down is there. But if you want to, there's lots of them there. There's one there. Okay. So this is a really nice level. I was already looking short because we are above yesterday's high. Very nice. We're getting pretty close to overbought on the market cipher tool. It's looking to be a good start to the day. If we get a strong red closure, I'll go short and shut her down and be a short stream. Nice. This could be good. Could be bad. Don't know. Alright. I think I've potentially... Man, I'm so torn on going to break even at half hour. I think I'm going to, which means I just gotta reset my tool here. I go back and forth all the time. Oh my gosh, 1%. This is an incredible tool, by the way, if anyone needs a tool for MT4. It's awesome. Okay, auto break even. I'm gonna go yes. At half R. I got very mixed feelings about that. I can't stand the feeling when it was gonna be a winner, but the break even got in the way. However, there's the other side of the coin. When you experience a string of losses that break even could have saved, and you're on a live account, oh man, that's powerful as well. So it would take a lot of data to figure out. Wait a minute, one sec, we're really close here. Yeah, this will be a trade. Okay, one sec. Tried to use my hotkeys, they didn't work. The hotkeys are a little finicky on this tool. Okay, 59. 59, so I'm gonna check, make sure they're both at 59. That's a 1-to-1, and then I shut her down. Okay, it's hard to do, and we just do it. Okay, shut that down. Let's put another time frame, or what I'll do, like another, or sometimes what I'll do. You know what I wanted to? Oh, yeah, let's do that. I do want to see the market cipher. Okay, it's not there. That's not good. Is the other thing I like to see is this market cipher reaction. Well, folks, I mean, that was a short stream, but I've already taken my trade. Sometimes I'll do backtesting live, but there's some other things on my list I want to get done. You know what? Let's do some backtesting. You know, one thing on my backtesting list, I think we'll tackle this. I already know. Well, I would love more data on the US 30. Let's get a quick round of data to see if the NAS responds similarly. Okay, so let's just try. Well, I don't know. We can go back wherever. Nope, I don't need to see the US 30. I don't know how far. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's just check. I mean, October didn't do good for US 30 either, so I kind of want to just see. I kind of want to see a good week. Doesn't matter. Let's just try it out. Oh, okay, let's go here. Okay, so let's go. October 1st. I'm gonna check the high and low. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Sometimes this tool doesn't load properly. Like if you go too far forward. Let's try this one. No, let's put it into replay mode. It's a little sensitive. Start new. Let's try this. Dude, what a piece of crap, man. Look at this thing. Why will it only do the last, like, maybe a show previous lines. Technical glitch. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the first. I'm going to check the market cipher tool, and I'm going to check yesterday's high and low. That's what I'm going to test. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to duplicate this. MCB, NAS 100. Then I'm gonna wipe this sucker clean. We don't need that. I find the easiest way to make sure it like fully does it is just delete the cells. Okay, so we're gonna go I'm just gonna call this high-low. Yeah, we should know the R's. Don't care. Let's delete these. Okay, so I'm just gonna say. But see, this is in general. Like I'm not, on my other tool, I was seeing what happens when it does it at the high and low as well. What I really just want to know is if this has any validity. Okay. Alright, so right out of the gate, okay, no. High-low, I wish I did this on the last file. High-low EG. And I want to know solid color change. Or I'm just gonna say good. Confident. Okay, so technically an EG for me is when it closes below, right? So that means going long here, I can't take that. Yeah, so anyways, I just want to be clear on what I'm looking for. Maybe I'll do R's there as well. See, if you get too much data, it gets too much to collect. But morning, oh dude, haven't seen you in a minute. Good man. It's going well. Took my trade this morning already, and I'm not watching the trade. It's not a new thing, but that's like pretty clutch to got me profitable. So my previous streams, I'd watch it and realized it's not good. Not good for this guy. I just like to take it, move on, and works good. So I'm back testing. Yeah, dude, how are you? You slaying dragons out there? Okay, let's collect some data. What I gotta figure out is this one here. I mean, that's pretty close. I think I would have took that. So you gotta be honest on your. You gotta be honest. October 1st. I'm gonna call that a loss. So that would be taking a long off this candle, and unfortunately, this one played out. So is what it is. I'm only taking one trade, so we'd have to move on. And did you, let's see if you got a market cipher. Cross. Yep, you did. Yeah, dude, I'm trying to figure it out. So I did some testing. Like when I first clicked on market cipher after you showed me, I was testing it in where was it? And it was like, oh, it was October, and it just like, it was like, it's like 80%. It incredible. But I've done so much backtesting, I know it never stays at 80, ever, 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 ever. Which is good because it trains your expectations that, like, honestly, I think 70% win rate, if you can maintain that year over year, I think that's probably one of the highest win rates, to be honest. I think a lot of guys are just fudging the numbers a little bit. Like, I did the thing about the 80% win rate, right? It changed. Like, what's it down to now? 68. So you just have to have a losing streak all of a sudden, and it'll bring it right down. So it's still good, like 30% over. I just did this the other day. Let's see how many trades I took. So this is how I do this. Highlight this, go down here. 108, so 30%. So 30% divided by 108 trades. And then, so that's 0.27 per trade times 20 trades in a month, roughly. So every 20 trades, it's 5.5% currently. That's freaking awesome. That is good. That is good enough for me. Anyway, so we're getting there. Okay, we gotta move on from this day. But no, that was rubbish. Well, am I still gonna record that? No, see, I'm just trying to see if this has a correlation, the market cipher to. Yeah, dude, talk to you later. Yeah, I mean, honestly, that was sweet. I got a cold. 6:15. You know, I wanted to. This is where it gets tricky. It's really tricky. Yeah, I want to know. I just want to know data. I crave to know it when I'm at the chart. I want to know if can't find a trade, and I see a set of tweezers bouncing off the moving averages here on the NAS. I want to know if it has an edge. I know it has some edge. Like, I feel really confident on that. But does it have enough edge to make it a viable strategy? That's what I would like to know. Okay. Did we get a moving average? Yeah, we freaking did, man. Nice. Also, let's see. Also had, well, no, let's just record it. Okay, so we know we didn't take 2 trades that day, but we got a nice moving average cross here. Not a moving average, it's the market cipher momentum cross. Okay. Okay, beauty. Well, yes and no. Man, I think the NAS wicks you out more. So, okay, so this is October 3rd. So, EG, that was not an EG, but it was a confident color change. I'd say so. Okay, but then which one got us the wicks? The wicks gave us the win. change this to numbers so it does the, yep. Okay. This is where the moving average reject gets tricky. So this is kind of caught in the weeds. That doesn't count. So this was the loser. This was the winner, just so you had an idea, because we were at yesterday's high. Okay, so right out of the gate, you have a play here, but it maybe just barely lost. Just barely. Yeah, so it did lose. That's where break even saves you, but not on our testing, okay? Because we can't, it's too hard to quantify that. So e.g. crap. Did we get anything else? So yeah, with the moving average things, I like a move. Like, what's the one I recorded as a win? See the difference? Push down, pulls back. That's the kind of moving average I want. Not this mess. Not like that. Not just like crosses with like. Now at 7:20. I don't know what to tell you. That's tempting to record, but I'm not gonna. Oh, I keep forgetting to look at the market cipher cross. Nothing. Okay. October 7th. You show up to the charts. Technically, there's a nice color change at 6:05. And a cross. And that was, see, you gotta record this. Normally, I'm not at the charts this time. However, and then get this. Here's the real kicker. Oh, baby. 23R. Okay, so then the next question is, so you don't get that trade, you're hanging out. That's not really a... That could have closed green on another, but that is a nice set of wicks. So that gets lost under wicks. Oh, I don't want the colors on this, so just plain text. No, I don't want that either. I just want 23R. Wicks, this one lost. Okay, but then you get another one. Like, I feel like on the NAS, man, you get the signal and you just gotta wait to get faked out and then get in. Isn't that funny? Like, but on the US 30, I find it's not as common. Yeah, okay, so I don't see anything else. Okay. So far, I mean, October wasn't good in general for the strategy. Where's this top? Printed right there. Oh, that worked pretty good. Look at that. Did that print at the... Yeah. Very nice. But see, this would be this is just 1R, I believe. Wow, market cipher for the win. Okay, nothing else, right? So we'd have to be way up here, but it's way past what I would trade. I didn't know you'd see a signal, like if it was a really clear signal, I'd record it, but still worked though. Okay, so we're looking short this day. What do we got? Not seeing nothing. Nope. Okay, color change. Yeah, strong color change. Yeah, yep. Almost an EG. Oh, you mother father. 2R. Okay, what else we got? I'm not seeing anything else. I mean, again, yeah, yep. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Pull back to the moving average. Nice fatty rejection. That's cool. We'll give it a win there. Do we have the cross? No. So the market cipher just not needed this day. Where did it do that one? No, see, that one worked. Funny enough, but I'm trying to just take them in the direction of yeah, you get the idea. That's a tough one. I'm gonna take note that let's see, my market cipher cross. Reverse trend. I'm gonna drop this in here. I need to see what that was all about. I never go back and look at the pictures, but oh my gosh, that's nice. See, is that confident? No. Is that confident? Frickin' right it is. Nice. But see, I don't have that one's just gonna be called, that's just a reaction. Like, I don't know what to call it. Because technically it's not a, like, color change supposed to have a green one before it. Wait, did I miss August 9th? Sure. Oh, that's October 9th. $100. And take note of the R's. So I used to be a 1R trader, but let me tell you something. Since we've been doing this backtesting, holy crap, like, I don't even know what to tell you. The R's, I mean, obviously you're not gonna hold one that long, but like, it is what it is. Like, that's literally what it did. Okay, so I mean, yeah, the wicks worked as well. Sure. It's a tricky one because if you already take this one, I don't really want to record this one, but whatever. I don't. Backtesting's not like a science. It's a little tricky. Okay, let's go to the next day here. Oh, and did we get a market cipher cross? No, we want it up here. So. Okay, where are we? In the middle, so technically this is a nothing day. So October 13th, no trade. Oh, we're collecting data pretty quick. No trade day. Oh, you son of a gun. However, nice set of tweezers, just saying. Trade day. Wow. Another no trade day. And if you're just clicking on and you don't understand why, just for what I'm testing, I'm trying to see. I want to take shorts near yesterday's high and longs near yesterday's low. So, stuck in the middle, nothing. Now, could you have called this a liquidity play off this? Sure, but like, it's more off of something over there. Okay, let's keep going. Now later in the day you got something, but again, I just don't trade that late. However, dude, you got an engulf and that. Yeah, we're good. You gotta take this one. I mean, ideally if you were even earlier, but they're pretty weak candles. But if you showed up at the open, I think you might have just barely got your one. Yeah. Cool. Yep. Just barely. So 1.59. Welcome on, viewer. No market cipher. Nope. Oh, we gotta reset the. So what are we on October 15th? I'd love to finish the month by 7:30, and then just see if you traded this. What would your results have been? Okay. Oh, we've already done the 15th, 16th. Oh, look at that, freaking right! But I think you lost. But that looks good. That's a nice. But see, would you have taken? I don't think so, man. It's just caught in the weeds. That would have been tempting, and then you would have got a loss. I think. Pretty sure. Which is supporting the break even. Yeah, so strong color change. Loss. So far. Yeah, NAS hasn't been as good, but the market cipher crosses have been awesome. Right, like even though this isn't all the way to overbought, like still like that. If you were waiting for your red dot near the, that's where it was. Oh wait. Oh, it's like 3 candles later, so a bit of a late entry, but cool. Still doing. I don't know, man. There's still something there for sure. So we're looking for a long in this case. We're close to yesterday's low. I don't think that'd be close enough, but I'm not trying to cherry pick. It's not that close. When you go over here, and I was trading that live. Oh my gosh! If I saw this going on and I saw this engulf, absolutely, absolutely. You could build a strategy to say it has to be touching the line, but I just don't think trading's that rigid. I think you'll just miss a lot of trades. And that was an engulf, and that went 2.29. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. Let's just see. Oh, the market cipher. This cross tool, man, I'm telling you. And it was a cross. But no. It was in the middle of the chart. We don't take those because they're in the middle of the chart everywhere. You gotta protect your backtesting and like make it legit. Oh, that's a fake out. Look at that. That's a loss. For sure it is. Absolutely. So even on the US 30, yeah, this strategy didn't do well in October, but it just slayed it in the spring. Oh my gosh. Okay. Huh? Okay, we're looking for shorts, but I don't know, man. That's not. Yeah, call it a color change. I'm gonna say it's super confident. I don't know. This is really tough. Backtesting's hard, man. The more you try to do like a factual backtest, it's really tricky. It's really tricky. I still think the market cipher tool can be used. Like let's say it prints like this. Watch this. This is what I'm thinking. Let's say this prints, but for whatever reason you're just not convinced. You say, okay, this was my like tip off. Now I'm gonna wait for if I get a pullback and something I like, I'll take that. So you go like, oh, okay, cool. Glad I didn't take it. Wow, I'm glad I didn't take it. Then you're like, oh, that's interesting. It's holding that level again. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Right? Like maybe it's something like that. It's just a hint, a sign. Check this out. Okay, so we're looking for longs. That is a confident color change. Yes, there it is. 1.26. Okay, 1.26, October 22nd. Oh, no. I don't know. It's something that doesn't feel quite as good as the US 30. Just for this idea. And again, I'm looking at the US 30 forever. Like, I think my eyes are just more trained to it. That's a nice set of tweezers, though. That's a nice pullback and EG off moving averages. It's not quite what I call that, though. When I'm watching the chart, that's not exactly what I'm looking for here. So October 23rd, no trade. We're almost at the end. Let's copy this. Oops. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, what about the market cipher right here? Are you a winner of that? You freaking did. Even though you're late to the game. Get real. You got... So, I mean, there's not technically no trade. Okay, still, couldn't you have just taken it off of your oversold up here, but you didn't get the official signal yet? Yeah, you definitely could have. Nothing, no trade this day. Oh, okay, well, hold on. Oh no, we're above yesterday's high. Wix, loss. I think if someone clicked onto this, it might not make sense. I go fast. I know what I'm looking for, and I know what I would take. So I would have took that as a loss. You're above yesterday's high, you're looking for shorts. It looks messy, but I mean, I think there's a Wix play there. Yes, there is. Just gotta record it. Look at no matter what, the data is still good to know. It'll tell you what not to trade, or it'll tell you, hey, there's a viable strategy here. There's a good edge here. And so far, I'm getting quite mixed reviews. Like, but it's just 1 month. Like, but you're spinning your wheels on some stuff here. Look at that. Well, okay, I think we're also, what are we doing? Spinning our wheels on this too, eh? Yeah, color change. Dude, the more I do this, like, it takes so long to collect data. Like, because this month's sucking, right? But, like, so did this month in the US 30. Not as bad, though. Not as bad. Ended October up 4%. color change down with the cross, or with market cipher. Very interesting. But again, like, this data can be tough. I'd have to go through and review every chart. Yeah. I mean, it's tempting to just look at one pair, but I don't know, man. Okay, so October 29th. Did we skip a day? My brain doesn't work super well at this time in the morning. That's your signal right there. Engulf, 29th. 28th, 29th. The only saving grace on this is some of the R's were insane. Like that one. 6.2. Okay. Oh, and you got the cross. That's what I wanted to point out. With the cross. This tool, man, I don't know what to think about this. There's something there. I know there's something there, but then some months it sucks, so I don't know what to tell you. Also, it's not a horrible moving average rejection. Pulls back. That's also nice too. Okay. Anyways, I don't know what to think about this one. It's just a simple. I don't know what you call a confident color change, but I want to report it. So that's the 30th. Okay, 31st, man. Halloween. And then I'm done. I'm gonna wrap it up here. So, Halloween. So this is no trade day. No trade day. Let's just do this. Well, hold on, we haven't looked at market cipher tool. Get the frick out. Oh, it might have worked you out. But it had the right idea. Worked me out. That's just part of trading, buddy. Well, folks, I don't know what to tell you. This I don't know. I don't know what to tell you if it's valid.